your name and for how many person, please?
My name is Corinne, and for one person only, please.
Okay, ma'am. Would you prepare smoking area or non-smoking area?
Non-smoking area.
Okay, ma'am. This way, please. Is this table is okay for you, ma'am?
Yes.
Please have a seat. Excuse me, ma'am. May I unfold your table napkin?
Yes.
By the way, ma'am, I'm Mary Fel, your dining attendant. Excuse me, ma'am. How about some refreshing drinks to start with? Would you like an iced tea or pineapple juice?
Iced tea.
Okay, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Here is your iced tea.
Thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am. Please have some water.
Thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am. Please have some freshly baked bread.
Okay, thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am. May I present to you our menu for your food selection? I will take your order whenever you're ready.
Okay, thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am. May I take your order?
Yes, I would like to order cocktail meatballs for my appetizer and cream of mushroom soup and beef steak for my main course.
Okay, ma'am. May I suggest to you Caesar salad?
No,
How about chocolate lava cake for your dessert?
no thanks.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. May I repeat your order? You order 1 cocktail meatballs, cream of mushroom soup, and beef steak for your main course.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Your order will be served within 15 minutes. Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. May I suggest to you our premium red wine to complement your main course, which is the Rioja, product of Spain, with a vintage year of 2018 and an alcohol content of 14%. Would you like to try it?
Yes, please.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Here is your cocktail meatballs for your appetizer.
Okay, thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am. Are you done? May I clean your table?
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am. Here is your cream of mushroom for your soup.
Thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am. Are you done? May I clean your table?
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am. Here is your beef steak for your main course.
Thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am. Are you done? May I clean your table?
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am. Here is your bill. Okay, ma'am. I received 500. I will be back for your receipt. Excuse me, ma'am. Here is your receipt. Is there anything else that I can help you with?
None.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you for dining with us. Hope to see you again next time.